What's up, guys? It's your boy Jim. We're freaking back. It's been a couple days. Went on a little vacation, saw some sights, was at Memphis. It was a good time, But now I think it's time for us to make another glorious cooking video. And yeah, today we're gonna be doing some freaking chicken wings. I never knew how simple it was to make chicken wings until like last year. Super easy, super fun, lots of variation you could do. I'm gonna show you my simple recipe, so yeah, let's freaking hop right into some chicken wings. Alright, first step here, don't mind the dirty stove. We're gonna preheat the oven to about a 385. I'm feeling that's pretty good. So yeah, preheat the oven, let's get the chicken. Now, chicken wings are one of those things that you buy at like a restaurant for a freaking premium, right? They're good, they're tasty, but they're all get out expensive. And now, my goal whenever I make chicken wings is to get them on sale, because you go to the store and they can be pretty expensive sometimes, but when they're on sale, you'll best believe I'm buying some. So we got here freaking 5.29 pounds of chicken wings. We got it for 10 bucks. Hey, that's pretty good. I'll take it. It was $2 per pound, so not bad for chicken wings. It's gonna save you a lot of money when compared to going to like B-dubs. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I prep these wings, let's hop right into it. So now with chicken wings, what I like to do is I like to just prep a bowl, have it so I can easily put them in there. We're gonna go ahead, take them out of this here package. We're gonna line them up here. We're not gonna take them out quite yet, but what I recommend doing is when you take them out and before you cut them up, just dab them off a little bit, dry, because you got some chicken juice in there. And then, as we know from me, I don't really like food juices too much. I think it's weird. So we're gonna dry it off, just pat it down a bit, and then you have your full wing here, right? You got action, you got play, but right now we're gonna do the old classic slice-a-roni. I'm gonna use this comically large knife. It's a very nice, heavy knife. And super easy to find the joint here. You're just gonna cut right through it. Bam-a-llama. There's one. And now, some people like to keep the chicken wing tip. There's not a lot of meat on there. It's got some nice skin, gristle. You can keep these like for a stew, or if you really want to fry them up, you can. It takes up valuable resources for my chicken wings, so I am going to just toss these because there's not much on them anyways. But yeah, you got your two chickens. You got your I always thought these were just one. This was a wing, and I thought these were drumstick growing up. So that shows me right, huh? But yeah, freaking A. The wings are basically done there. So I'm gonna do the whole package, and then I'm gonna put them in the bowl, and I'm gonna show you how I season these bad dogs. And bam! Look at that. We got our bowl of chicken wings. That's a nice old helping there. Be perfect for my wife and I. But yeah, now it's time to do some seasoning action. Now first up in this chicken wing tour, we're going to have the unsung hero here, baking powder. This is what's going to give your chicken a nice crispiness to it. I put around 2 tablespoons in there. Doesn't have to be exact. I hate measuring, so yep. Let's put this in the bowl. And then we're going to add our classic heroes of the story. We got onion powder. We got garlic powder. Now for garlic powder, we're gonna put it on there. I like the taste of garlic in the morning, you know? I'm all about it. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. And we don't have much onion powder left, so I'm just gonna go all in. That's right, all in. Oh yeah, that's gonna be onion, eh? And you can't forget about this other fan favorite here, smoked paprika. It has a nice little smoky flavor to it. And, you know, it really does a good number on chicken. Now, one of the great things with chicken wings is there's no limitations on what you can put on it. You can experiment. You can try different things. Today, I'm going to try putting on some freaking Hot for Peaches mix. Smoked peach rub on them. And, yeah, just, hey, go for it. You don't have to. You don't really have to know what you're doing, right? You can just have fun with it. That's the cool thing about chicken wings, especially when they're on sale. That if you don't like them, you can always get more for still way cheaper than you would at like B-dubs. But yeah, even if you put on a seasoning there you might not like, you're gonna put sauce on it at the end anyways. You won't be able to really taste it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's next. All right, for this next step here, I recommend doing it over a sink. Okay, you're going to toss the chicken up and down, and I have done it before over the ground, and it went all over the place. So don't do that. And do it over the sink. You got your bowl of chicken to season. And you're just gonna look at that. Look at it. It's kind of. I'm sure there's a better way too, but you know what? We do it. I guess old school. I don't really know. This is old school. Old school people had a better way probably. But yeah, you're just gonna lightly toss that. Coat all the chicken. You can kind of see it's a nice even coat. We're gonna just toss a little bit more. Shake it up, baby. A little bit of salt. Ooh. And we resume the tossing. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with gas. Oh, chicken down. Now once you're done tossing them, your chicken's gonna look something like that. Bam. And like that, we are one step closer to victory. Let me pull out my baking sheet in a tray and we'll get them lined up on there. Now, I'm gonna tell you a secret. This is where video game skills come into play, okay? We're gonna do chicken Tetris here. We're gonna see if we can fit all of them on this tray. It's gonna be a little tight, it always is. This normally fits 4 pounds pretty well. 5 pounds is a little extra. So, let's get that Tetris in. And check this out. Check this out. We did a pretty decent job. And boom, we got all the chickens on the rack here. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in here for 20 minutes. Count them, 20 minutes. And we're going to flip them over. 20 minutes again. Flip them back. 20 more minutes. So in total, we're cooking this for a full hour. And we flip them every 20 minutes. So it's going to be back this side up at the very end. So I'll put these in the oven and let you know what they look like on the first flip. So. Alright guys, whew. Steamy. Let's see if the fire alarm goes off. Check it out. First rotation's up, tubes. Those chickens are looking mighty fine. We're going to go ahead and flip all these over and put them in for another 20 minutes. Oh yeah, YouTube. All the chickens are flipped. We're going to slap that back in there and we'll be back in 20 minutes. Bam! What do you kid and I see? Do you spot the chickens? Me too. I think it's time to give them the old flip. But the chickens aren't up there. What are you looking at there, bud? Silly cats. Alright, we just finished the second thing here. Let's let some of that heat run out. Oh, look at those are looking nice right there. Alright, we're gonna flip them again and one more set of 20 minutes and then it's time for the sauce. Yeah. So now, one of the great things of doing this at home is you can put whatever sauce on you want. And hey, my wife loves the B-Dubs habanero, mango habanero sauce. So hey, it's like we're going to B-Dubs, but way cheaper. And I'm going to use, for my old stuff, a bit of charred ends. That mango habanero is a little too spicy for me. So, oh, Kroger special right there. Oh yeah. But not a sponsor. Not a sponsor. But yeah, we're going to finish that last 20 minutes and then we'll toss it in some sauce and give it an old try. Oh yeah, look at that chicken. That is looking crispy. It's hot. All right, we'll let it cool for about a minute, and we'll put it in a bowl, put some sauce on it, and give it a little toss. All right, we're gonna start off with the mango habanero. Make sure my wife's is done first, you know, and you don't need that much sauce, so that's pretty much it. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a toss. I'm gonna do it over the sink again, just so I don't put any sauce on the ground. Oh yeah, just nice toss it till all the wings are somewhat covered. It doesn't take a lot of sauce. You'd be surprised. All right, mango habanero is complete. All right, and this one we got that charred ends barbecue sauce. Nice little number. Put a nice little help in there. And give this an old toss as well. All the chicken out of the bowl. Ooh. It's mine. It's okay. All right, we are sauced up, ready to go. Let's put it on the plate. All right, tubes. Well, we did it. We have cooked some chicken wings. Not bad. Turned out just how they always do. Very nice, sweet, pretty easy. Not very high work. Oh yeah, cooked all the way through, just like it should be. Great sauce flavor, nice crispiness to the skin. I'd say it's pretty good, but yeah. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, give some chicken wings a try. Let me know how you do. All right, peace out, guys. Enjoy.